there! Welcome to ASAP Facts. Today, I am going to tell you about the top 3 amazing future technologies in transportation which would surely happen as per CNN reports. Number 1. Delivery drones. Drones are remote controlled aircrafts or missiles, also referred to unmanned aircraft vehicles UAV, have been used by the military for years. But recently, there has been an increase in flying drones for commercial use. Companies like Amazon, UPS, DHL, etc. are working to develop the drones for delivery products at faster speed covering unbelievable distance. Creating such drones is a technological challenge. Companies are working in this sector to make the delivery drones as a reality. That's interesting, right? Number 2. Hyperloops. Hyperloop is one of the most trending technologies in the field of transportation. A tube that uses physical properties of vacuum to transport users from one place to another. This Hyperloop can travel at the speed of 700 miles per hour. The Hyperloop projects are developing at various locations across the globe. This project will help to reduce the complexity of transportation. This can act as a complete revolution in the transportation industry. Number 3. Flying taxi. Whether it is a startup or large companies, flying taxis will be the future of transportation industry. Uber has announced to come up with flying taxis by 2023 under the assistance of NASA. The goal of Uber is focused on building a flying taxi that is electrically powered and flies passengers to their destination. An example of such flying taxi is Holocopter, an autonomous aircraft with electrical power. As of now, Holocopter is under the test in Dubai. It's interesting, right? Hope you all enjoyed and got excited to know more about future technologies. Stay tuned and subscribe ASAP Facts. Thanks for watching. Meet you soon again. Bye.